Hi there, guys and gals. Good evening to each every one of you. I'm capturing again my throwback memories during my travel to Bicol. This happened. This is the part 2 of my uploads this morning. So, continuation. And as you can see, I'm singing here of my super idol Britney Spears while I'm on the travel while I'm on my traveling. And guys, as what I've told you, it's some kind of a blurred because I'm using a digicam. By that time, smartphone or other touchscreen cell phones are not yet in, so some kind of a anyway, guys and girls, so on this particular place, I'm on Pagkawayan area, and see that lovely face. Kissable lips, chewable lips, red lips, anyone. And I'm also saying on this particular time that the travel is some kind of fast compared to the last time that I've traveled. And I'm on my way now, going to, after Tagkawayan, heading now to Naga, or maybe, I don't know, but anyway, nearly Naga perhaps. And then what else? So I just really, you know what, guys and girls, I just really love this kind of fascinating, awesome, fantastic view. I just really love, how do you call this thing? Nature. So nature tripping. So every time I travel, I see to it that I can capture all these moments. Guys and girls, please bear with my quality of my video because there's a sounds in here. That's why I don't want to have a, what's that, I forgot, sorry. Oh gosh, here I am again, I'm being lost. Copyright claim by YouTube, because YouTube is very keen on giving you a copyright claims something. So that's why I don't have, and it will lessen my watch hour. That's why, so please bear with me. Okay, actually guys, if you want to have sounds, you can watch my Facebook account, Hendrix Abordo. You can have the sound in here, the winds. Yeah, okay, see that, guys and gals. So please bear with me, okay? So keep on traveling. As you can see, guys and gals, the bus is some kind of fast based on, see that? Based on what you are seeing right now, so very fast. You know what? I got bored when I'm traveling if the bus or jeepney or taxi is some kind of slow. I really love adrenaline rush. Even though sometimes I'm being jumping inside the bus, I just really love it. And sometimes even though I'm asleep, I still love it. In this particular place, guys and gals, I'm now in Nabua, if I'm not mistaken. Oh gosh, there's a sound in here. Oh my gosh, I hope it will not hear. I'm still here in Gateway Mall, guys and gals. I'm having my checking and some kind of reviewing my uploads. So please bear with me, okay, guys and gals. You know what, guys and gals, the camera is not kind of fit because by that time I'm not being, I just don't know yet. Sorry, I know how to capture myself on camera, but sometimes if you are on your focus on your if you are on your focus regarding what you are capturing, sometimes you didn't notice that the camera is not on the right frame. That's why. Hold on. So see that? Wow, what a shiny teeth. Guys, please bear with my uploads, okay? I hope you can still watch this long and finish this one and love it, feel it, share it, okay? So don't forget to check my other videos and uploads here on YouTube. So guys and gals, I'm still keep on talking in here. This is Nabwa and that is LCC, okay? So see that I'm getting near in Legazpi. My lovely shades. Please bear with me, guys. Oh gosh, you're seeing the lenses of my cell phone. See that? Some kind of a big face. Okay. Bicolanja, here I am. Gosh, how time flies, guys and gals. This was happened 10 years ago, July 12, 2014, so 10 years ago, okay? But for now, as what I said in here, and then I'm gonna kiss.